Hey everyone. So almost every single time I drive my Gen 1, it pretty much leaves me stranded. While I'm driving, it pretty much loses power, the engine light comes on, it starts misfiring and I have to pull over. And stupid me, I keep just fixing it and going and never really fixing the problem. The reason why is the problem's kind of a pain in the butt to fix. Let me show you what I'm talking about. The reason I'm sharing this is I have a feeling a lot of people have this problem. I looked at a couple of my friends' Cruzes and they all have the same issue. So this connector right here is for your ignition. For your ignition coil. And what happens is the clip breaks. So while I'm driving, the engine revs and vibrates and this thing walks its way out. It walks out just far enough that it keeps a partial connection, which keeps some of the spark plugs firing and not all of them, so the engine runs like crap. I'm going to show you how to fix this today. The reason I haven't fixed it yet is replacing that entire connector is a pain in the butt. Getting a brand new one that's not broken is hard to find. I have a quick, easy fix that should cost like 10 cents for everybody to be able to fix their connector and not have a problem anymore. Let me get what we need. This is the fix. I'm going to show you what to do with it. You want to take this long zip tie. You want to go through one or two of the wires on the connector and you want to keep the connector in place. Wrap this around the coil boot and then back around the connector. So what I did was wrap it around the connector, around the boot, and this will keep everything nice and tight now. You pretty much never have to remove this unless you're doing a tune-up and need to get the coil out, and even then you don't have to remove it. You're just moving it over to the side. So I figured this was a cool video to share a little tip. I know pretty much almost every other Cruze I look at has this problem. And if you guys think little short videos like this that I feel are helpful or cool, comment below. Let me know what you think and have a nice day.